Hello all, in this video we will understand the concept of the pipeline in the Jenkins. Usually the industry prefers the pipeline plugin over the GUI interface. Let's understand why it happens and how to create a pipeline project. So let's go to a new item and let's create the test pipeline, and there's an option called the pipeline and we can create the OK, and that's how it comes. So in this pipeline script, here is the space given, you can write the script. So there are the two types of scripts. Let's understand what are the types of the scripts and how it is useful. So there are the two types of pipeline. First is scripted pipeline, another is the declarative pipeline. Okay, so scripted pipeline uses the groovy index in groovy syntax. So for writing as a scripted pipeline, you must have a basic understanding of the groovy. But another one is the declarative pipeline, which has no as such syntax and which you do not have any prerequisite. And declarative pipeline is usually considered better than the scripted pipeline. So let's understand why a pipeline is preferred over the Jenkins GUI. So there are 3-4 reasons. First reason is the code. So in the declarative and the pipeline plugin, usually we write it as the code, and for the durability purpose it has both the it supports both the unplanned and the planned restarts. Then next is possible we can wait for the human intervention while we are using with the working with the pipeline. Another one is the versatile. We can have for loop, if else loop, everything can be possible by the versatile. Then we have extensible, it supports the another plugins as well. So let's go. So in the pipeline project I have already created. Let's understand how I have created. So in this I am going to show you the checkout function, in which we will check out the code using the git. Let's see how I have done it. I'll show you. So this is the basic syntax. Node means where do you want to run it. I want to run it in my local machine. That's how it given. I've created one function which is checkout rep. Let's see what I have done. So this is a function checkout. I am using class as get. Then I am using mass branches, which I'm using by default as a master branch. Then I have using sub module configuration, which I do not have anything as of now. And then I'm using extensions checkout and user remote config credentials. I'm using git credentials and URL from where I want to clone the project. Let's see how it works. Let's try and build this. So whenever I build this project, it gives me this kind of interface. What does this mean? I'm executing this for the second time on the September this, and I have just one stage which is checkout of code, and it took 3 seconds. Let's say further I have the building of this code. So this will gonna append and give me a pictorial representation of how my build process is working. So that's all for this video. Stay tuned with the channel for upcoming videos of the Jenkins. If you have any questions, please comment below in the comment section. Thank you.